Maintenance of accounts, books, and registers. Section number 140. The Society shall maintain the following books of accounts, records, and registers. 1. The Register of Members in I form, prescribed under Rule 32 of the MCS Rules, 1961. 2. The list of members in J form, prescribed under Rule 33 of the MCS Rules, 1961. 3. The Cash Book. 4. The Genera Ledger. 5. The Personal Ledger. 6. The Sinking Fund Register. 7. The Audit Rectification Register in O form, prescribed under the MCS Rules, 1961. 8. The Investment Register. 9. The Nomination Register. 10. The Society or Members' Loan Register or Mortgage Register. 11. The Minutes Book for the meetings of the Committee of the Society. 12. The Minutes Book for the meetings of the General Body of the Society. 13. The Property Register and Furniture, Fixtures, and Office Equipment. 14. The Structural and Fire Audit Register and Lift Inspection Record. 15. The Register of Nominal Members, Tenant Occupant. 16. The Register for Active Members. Section number 141(1). Applications for membership. 2. Applications for nominal or associate membership. 3. Letters of resignations of membership, including associate. And 4. Nominal membership. 5. Applications for transfer of shares and or interest in the 6. Capital or property of the Society. 7. Cases of expulsion of members. 8. Nominations made by members, including revocations thereof. 9. Separate file for correspondence entered into with each member. 10. Correspondence with the cooperative registrar. 11. Correspondence on property taxes, including non-agricultural taxes. 12. Correspondence on common electric supply. 13. Correspondence about conveyance of the property. 14. All types of agreements, with papers connected thereto. 15. Approved plans of construction and correspondence thereon. 16. Applications toward allotment of parking spaces. 17. Vouchers along with the bills relating thereto arranged in order of entries in the cash book and the journal. 18. Counterfoils of chalans for credits of amounts into the bank, arranged in order of dates of credits. 19. Counterfoils of checks issued. 20. Counterfoils of share certificates. 21. Applications for duplicate share certificates. 22. Application for registration of the Society, the copy of the bylaws and amendments thereto. 23. A certificate of registration fully framed. 24. Counterfoils of receipts or carbon copies of receipts issued by the Society. 25. Counterfoils of bills or carbon copies of bills for the Society's charges. 26. Correspondence about loan received and property of the Society mortgaged. 27. Notices and agenda of the meetings of the Committee and General Body of the Society. 28. Periodical statements of accounts prepared by the Society. 29. Committee's annual reports on the working of the Society. 30. Audit memos received from the statutory auditors, with rectification reports thereon. 31. Audit reports received from internal auditors, with rectification reports thereon. 32. Papers pertaining to the election of the Committee. 33. Complaint from members and correspondence thereof. Note: the Society shall also maintain separate files relating to other subjects not expressly indicated above. Section number 142. Unless otherwise decided by the Committee, it shall be the responsibility of the Secretary of the Society to maintain and keep up to date the account books, registers, and other records mentioned under the bylaws number 140 and 141. Section number 143. The Secretary of the Society or the paid employee authorized by the committee in that behalf, may retain in his personal custody, at the close of every day, a sum not exceeding rupees 5,000 only for petty expenses. If due to unavoidable circumstances, the cash in hand has exceeded the above limit, the excess cash shall be credited into the bank within the next 3 days by the Secretary or any other person authorized by the committee to keep cash in hand. Section number 144. All payments in excess of rupees 1,500 shall be made by means of crossed account payees' checks. Section number 145A. Within 45 days of the close of every cooperative year, the Secretary of the Society or any other person authorized by the committee in that behalf shall finalize the accounts of the preceding cooperative year, prepare the receipts and payment statement, the income and expenditure statement for the said year, and the balance sheet as at the close of the said year in the forms prescribed under Rule 62I of MCS Rules 1961, along with the list of active members and non-active members as at the close of the preceding cooperative year, with amounts to their credit in the share capital account and deposits, if any, the schedules of investments, the debtors, the creditors, the furniture, the fixtures, and the office equipments, etc. B. The Society shall prepare and file annual returns, as prescribed in the Act and the rules. The Society shall file annual returns on or before the 30th of September of every year with the Registrar, including the following matters, namely 1. Annual reports of Society's activities. 2. Society's audited statement of accounts. 3. Plans for surplus disposal as approved by the general body of the Society. 4. List of amendments to the bylaws of the Society, if any. 5. Declaration regarding date of holding of its general body meeting and conduct of elections when due. 6. Any other information required by the Registrar in pursuance of any of the provisions of the Act. 7. List of active and non-active members. 8. Every society shall also file a return regarding the name of the auditor or auditing firm from a panel approved by a state government in this behalf, appointed in the general body meeting together with his written consent within a period of 1 month from the date of annual general body meeting. 9. If the Society fails to intimate and file the returns as provided by Section 75, 2A and Section 79, 1B, the Registrar may cause Society's accounts to be audited by appointing an auditor from the panel of auditors. Section number 146. Every paid employee holding any office in the Society and handling cash and/or securities of the Society shall furnish such security, as is provided under Rule 107B of the MCS Rules 1961. For more information, log on to www.societiexplore.com.